What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay to the yeah, and we are in FL Studio. Let's make a damn beat. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I ain't gonna use no samples. Well, I'm gonna use samples. I ain't gonna use no sample loops. So yeah, and we got the keyboard out. I got the keyboard hooked up. Yeah, we got that hooked up. Let's do some lo-fi. Hey, ooh, I want to do that so bad. Let's do some kicks. Let's use that booch right there. Ooh, we gotta use that. Put that right there. Some open hi-hat. Put some of them joints right there. We need. I don't want to. Let's get some. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, and let's get a snare. Ooh, I like that right there too. Ooh, gonna do something different. Now, let's get a hi-hat going. We don't want it that high. Let's do a good 80s. What does 88 sound like? Okay, I like 88. Here we go. Ooh, that's all we need. Let's bring that. I don't use FL Studio that much, so those that use it, y'all probably will murder me. Here we go. We'll take that off. We don't need that no more. Okay, we got that going. Let's get the snap going. You know what? We ain't gotta do that, cuz we just gonna boop, bop, bam. Ooh. We gotta turn. I don't know if it's. Oh shit! I can't go no lower than that. I got a little bit of latency that I don't like when I'm playing. So what we gonna do? Let's add a little swing in that beat. Ooh. I don't know what happened right there. I don't know what happened right there. Ooh, let's fix that kick. Yeah. Ooh, I want that. Let's just play it. Let's just play it. Quit playing around. Let's just play it. We're going to put that don't sound right sockets. Let's go ahead and add that in there. Hey. Ooh, you know we gotta go straight to the bass. Let's go straight to the bass. Let's find a bass. Ooh, I know y'all probably say, won't this motherfucker stop saying ooh? Oh, let's see. Ooh. Ooh. Take that out. Let's see what that gonna sound like. Oh. Yeah. And I ain't gonna quit for nothing. Every time you look at me, I'm about to tell you something. Yeah, I know you hating on me, think I'm bluffing. I'ma come through in the. Ooh. Let's see if we can get a good Hey, hey. Good, 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 good. It's kind of loud. Turn that down an octave. We're gonna go with that. We're gonna go with that. What you gonna go? We just doing like 2 bar. Hey, Ooh, that's crunk. Turn that down. Hey. Okay, we're gonna keep it simple, simple and dope, simple and dope. Let's find something else. What about? Let's go. And I'm just using Fruity Loops instrument. Ooh, you gotta have the keys. Okay, I gotta figure out my chord. This gonna be a challenge. Ooh. What that gonna sound like? Yeah, but we got the basics. Keep it simple, cuz. Keep it simple, cuz. I don't know what that's gonna sound like. What is that tone? No, just gonna record over. So let's do this. Go back. Let's go back. Go to clone. No. That gonna sound like. So let's play it. Just keep that sample too. Sometimes it's the simple stuff. I think I'm gonna leave this like this. Ooh. Yeah, and I'm gonna come through the back door. And I'm gonna come through the front door. And I'm gonna come through the back door. And I'm gonna come through. Yeah, I'm gonna come through quick. I'm so legit. I'm about to have a fit. So get up off my yeah. And it's never gonna stop. Watch me drop a beat and watch it be hot. Everything that I do is certified flop. Yeah, I said that. Yeah, I said that. There we go, folks. We got some basic ass lo-fi type chill mellow beat. I think it's okay. Y'all let me know what you think about this beat in the comments. This your boy. Yeah. I don't really want to tell you, but all I got to say is I gon' tell you. I did biggie. Oh, you yeah. I just wanna come in.